Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord freezing or not responding on your Windows computer. If Discord keeps freezing, lagging, or crashing, these simple fixes will help you solve the problem. So let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer. Now click on the settings icon at the bottom left. Go to Appearance. Scroll all the way down. Now find Hardware Acceleration. Turn it off. Then click on Restart to apply the changes. Now check if Discord is working properly. If it is still freezing, open the Start menu. Search for Run and open it. Now type %appdata% and press Enter. Find the Discord folder. Right-click on it and delete it. Once done, open your browser. Search for Discord Download and open the official website. Download the latest version for Windows. Install it again and open Discord. This fresh setup should fix the freezing issue. So this is how you can fix Discord freezing on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.